prescription sleepwalking horror. He took Ambien and drove to his grave. In 2013, a North Carolina man lost his wife. The silence in his home after his wife's passing was a deafening roar. Sleep, his only potential escape, became an elusive ghost. His doctor offered a solution in a small white pill, Ambien. For the pain that sleep couldn't numb, another prescription was added, hydrocodone, a cocktail for slumber, or so he thought. One moonless night, his daughter, lost in her own grief, heard him ask for his car keys. But his eyes were closed, groomed and dressed in his work clothes. He sleepwalked to his car. He drove 10 miles, completely unconscious. Then, drove straight into a tree. The car burst into flames. When they found his body, the prescription bottle was still in his pocket. Prescribed one pill at a time. He never woke up from his final dream. A deadly deep sleep indeed.